Action!
6 years ago, Sim joined the on-site yoga teacher training in Bali. And today she is back in paradise. And we are exploring actually her career as a yoga teacher. She has started to teach right away after the 200-hour on-site teacher training in Bali. But then COVID came and then she stopped teaching. And now she's joining our 300-hour online yoga teacher training, and she's at the moment doing the Yin Yoga teacher training. And we just actually had a brainstorming how she can get started with her Yin Yoga classes, where in her town, they say they offer Yin Yoga, other studios, but they actually just do a slower vinyasa class. And the idea is that Sim can offer real Yin Yoga with Sim. And the tagline we came up with is open your heart and discover the soft power of Chinese yoga. So that's what we are getting you into the conversation. We've been already brainstorming for the last 20 minutes, and I just felt it would be very beneficial for you to get a feeling of how such a yogic journey, such a yoga career can unfold. So thank you, Sim, for joining us here and being courageous. She said she's a bit shy and she doesn't really want to do a recording. But then she felt like, no, the soft power of Yin, let me step forward.
Yeah. The soft power of Yin that just you share, empowered
you.
Empowering. And the Yin Yoga, it's Taoism. Now, let me think and want to do something for it. Yeah.
So this is where our brainstorming was going. The Taoism, the Taoist teachings from the Tao Te Ching by Lao Tzu is a famous spiritual scripture of China. And we share that in the Yin Yoga teacher training. And then Sim got so inspired by it because it's, in a way, the Chinese yoga. It's the overlap between the Indian yoga and the Chinese Taoism. And that makes a lot of sense because with her cultural heritage from China, you are so prepared and so rooted in this wisdom. She told me actually that her father was a healer who was in the Chinese herbal medicine, the TCM, the traditional Chinese medicine, healing people. So it's for you like coming back home.
It's truly coming back home. Yeah, because not only my father, my grandfather was doing it. And then I was in the forest and jungle with all the deeds. But now I'm coming back here and maybe now is my time doing it.
Now is my time. The jungle with the leaves, referring to the plant medicine, the herbal remedies of the traditional Chinese medicine, where in your family heritage, father and grandfather are healers. And another secret she told me is that the significance of her name Sim, S-I-M, in Chinese is actually heart. And tell me about how that name was given to you and what your parents, grandparents saw in the meaning and significance of that name for your life.
Yeah, my father told me that I say you and your father give a lot of medicine to people and make them healthy. But who am I? What should I do? My father say, oh, your name is Sim, but you do healing the hearts. Yi Sim is cute.
Yi Sim, heal the heart. Living with an open heart.
Yeah, I feel my grandfather and my father power. Yeah, through you true. Mm. And it's all coming back to me now. Yeah.
Continuing the heritage, the ancestors, the tradition, your culture. Passing it on because so many people need that soft wisdom of the heart.
Yeah. That's what we share. Just move and passing it on.
Exactly, just doing it. So just continuing to teach because not during the teacher training you already start teaching and then just continue afterwards to shine your light. That is also
Take care.
natural and in a way intuitive to pass on the benefits which you receive. Back then when you were on the on-site teacher training in Bali 6 years ago, but now also in the online course being reminded of the beauty of it.
Yeah, it's all reminding me back. Yeah, really. And that's the main point. I've got all the benefits from the course, from the yoga, from meditation. Yeah, this is my time to pass it on.
Stepping forwards and sharing. That's in what I mentioned, the intuitive part of it, that we received so many benefits ourselves. And then just naturally, of course, we want to pass it on, share it with others. It's such a gift. Why would we keep it for ourselves?
That's what I want to do. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. And we've been, in a way, designing already the taglines and the curriculum, the content. I was doing some yoga coaching, yoga career advice with Sim. So we're deep in the brainstorming to get her not only ready, but that she can directly hit the ground running and go strong.
Go strong.
Exactly. Because so many people are in need. Especially actually in the modern times, in the modern culture, there's so much of the activism and rushing and fast-paced life and fast-paced yoga.
Breathe, yeah. A lot.
Too much stress.
Too much.
Then. And there comes then the soft power of this gentle, peaceful strength which comes through this restorative, gentle practice. So...
it's my, I feel so gratitude this morning can have time to share and receiving all the power from this island and from my teacher, my master. Yeah. And what am I thinking now is to do it. Yeah.
Manifesting, well, making it all happen. Just do it, or as we say in Yin Yoga, just be. Just be present.
That's
Thank you so much, Sim, for your courage and trust to step forward and share the benefits that you received and pass on the gifts, distributing the presence of the present moment. So I trust that the people will welcome you with an open heart in your community as you step forward and share the inspiration, or as we say, share the yin inspiration.
really the soft power.
So we trust that you feel the inspiration, maybe even practice some more yin and dive deeper into this peaceful inspiration. Sending you blessings from wonderful Bali. Thank you, Sim, for your courage to step forward. And all the best for your sharing of your light. Blessings.